Have you ever imagined a future where filling up your car with gasoline is a distant memory? That future is almost here, thanks to an incredible new innovation: cars powered by water. This groundbreaking technology is being hailed as a potential game-changer, poised to transform the entire automotive landscape. So, what makes this water engine so revolutionary, and how will it impact the future of the automotive industry and the world? Let's dive into the details and discover how this innovation could redefine the way we drive. The automobile has been a cornerstone of modern life, with over 1.446 billion cars on the road worldwide as of 2022, and annual sales reaching about 67.2 million vehicles. From sleek sports cars and roaring race cars to sturdy pickups and spacious SUVs, cars come in all shapes and sizes, offering unparalleled convenience to millions of people globally. Since their invention, cars have profoundly shaped our lives, providing freedom and mobility like never before. The automotive industry has seen countless innovations, from electric vehicles, EVs, and autonomous driving to advanced driver assistance systems, ADS, and connected car technology. Yet, experts are predicting a new technological revolution that will shake the industry to its core, reminiscent of Henry Ford's transformative impact in 1913. Unlike Ford's revolution, this new wave of innovation aims to tackle the modern challenges faced by automobile users and could dominate the market in unprecedented ways. Before we explore this cutting-edge water engine and the brilliant mind behind it, let's take a moment to appreciate the rich history and evolution of cars. In the 17th, 18th, and 19th centuries, inventors were on a relentless quest for a reliable automotive power source. Steam power became a focal point of experimentation, with steam vehicles showing potential for mass transit in the UK by the mid to late 1800s. At the same time, electric motors gained traction with the invention of the lead-acid battery in 1870. Fast forward to 1885, when Siegfried Marcus made history by being the first to use a gasoline-operated internal combustion engine to propel a vehicle. This milestone paved the way for the automotive industry's future. Shortly after, in 1886, Carl Benz unveiled his gasoline-powered vehicle, earning a pioneering patent, DRP Nr. 37435, on January 29, 1886. This three-wheeler marked a significant breakthrough, and by 1891, Benz had developed his first four-wheeled car. His company, Benz & Cie, quickly rose to prominence, becoming the world's largest automobile manufacturer by the early 20th century. The early 1900s saw fierce competition between steam engines, electric motors, and internal combustion engines. Mass production began in earnest, led by France and the United States. In 1908, Henry Ford introduced the Model T, revolutionizing car ownership by making it affordable and reliable for the emerging American middle class. Now, we stand on the brink of another automotive revolution with the advent of the water-powered engine. This innovation promises to address the environmental and economic challenges of traditional gasoline engines, ushering in a new era of sustainable driving. Get ready to explore the future of the automotive industry and witness how the water engine is set to change the world. As the petroleum industry expanded and drilling became more widespread, the internal combustion engine gained dominance over its electric and steam counterparts. By 1915, this dominance was evident, and the end of World War I, followed by an economic boom in 1918, fueled an unprecedented surge in automobile production in the 1920s. However, the prosperity of this golden age abruptly ended with the onset of the Great Depression in 1929. The economic turmoil led to industry consolidation, with many companies succumbing to financial difficulties. Following the war, the world experienced a surge in prosperity and optimism, particularly in the US and Western Europe. The 1950s saw the production of faster vehicles with extravagant styling, influenced by the space age and the development of the interstate highway system. Cars were adorned with chrome trim, and features like automatic transmissions and air conditioning became standard. In the 1960s, foreign competitors emerged to challenge the dominance of the American Big Three automakers. German and Japanese firms introduced smaller, fuel-efficient cars, prompting U.S. manufacturers to respond with the development of muscle cars. The Ford Mustang and Chevrolet Camaro, introduced in the mid-1960s, epitomized this era, offering affordability, speed, and powerful V8 engines. However, the 1970s marked a turning point. The oil crises of 1973 and 1979 led to a sharp increase in oil prices, causing consumers to opt for smaller, fuel-efficient vehicles. What are the challenges of modern-day vehicles? Modern-day vehicles encounter numerous challenges that affect both the environment and the customers who depend on them for their daily transportation needs. Customers have to navigate through a lot of choices, with each option promising convenience, style, and efficiency. However, beyond the attractive exteriors and advanced features, there exist substantial challenges that influence our interaction with automobiles. Perhaps the most pervasive challenge faced by modern vehicles is our continuous reliance on gasoline. While gasoline has fueled our cars and propelled us forward for decades, its impact on the environment is undeniably concerning. When gasoline combusts in the internal combustion engines of our vehicles, it releases a cascade of pollutants into the air, contributing significantly to the global environmental crisis we face today. Imagine this. As you drive your car, fueled by gasoline, it emits carbon dioxide, CO2, into the atmosphere. This notorious greenhouse gas traps heat, leading to climate change and unpredictable weather patterns. But the environmental toll doesn't stop there. Gasoline combustion also releases nitrogen oxides, NOx, and particulate matter, which degrade air quality and pose health risks for humans. Our continued dependence on gasoline not only perpetuates our carbon footprint, but also raises long-term sustainability concerns regarding our transportation choices. In response to these pressing environmental concerns, we are witnessing the remarkable rise of electric vehicles, EVs, as a promising alternative. The allure of zero-emission driving and a departure from traditional gasoline-powered engines position EVs as an environmentally friendly solution. However, this shift is not without its own set of challenges, particularly when it comes to affordability and maintenance. Affordability stands as a significant hurdle for the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. Despite technological advancements that have gradually reduced the cost of batteries, a critical component of EVs, the initial price tag of electric vehicles remains higher compared to their gasoline counterparts. This upfront cost can deter many consumers, even though there is potential for long-term savings on fuel and maintenance. Maintenance presents another layer of complexity in the realm of electric vehicles. The intricate nature of electric drivetrains and battery systems demands specialized knowledge for repairs. Not all local garages are equipped to handle electric vehicle maintenance, leading to increased costs and inconvenience for EV owners. Furthermore, questions linger about the longevity and performance of electric vehicle batteries, raising concerns about the environmental impact of their disposal. While electric vehicles offer a greener alternative, they also introduce their environmental challenges. Battery production relies on rare and environmentally impactful materials, calling into question the overall sustainability of EVs. Additionally, the recycling and disposal of used batteries present challenges, as the infrastructure for handling electric vehicle waste is still in its early stages of development. Now, let's imagine an alternative: a revolutionary shift toward water-powered engines. These engines, harnessing the power of water as a fuel source, offer a harmless and more effective solution to the challenges posed by traditional gasoline engines and electric vehicles. The concept of cars running on water is not a futuristic fantasy. It is a tangible reality that could have a profound impact. Relying on water as a fuel source represents a departure from the environmental pitfalls associated with gasoline. Water, an abundant and accessible resource, replaces the carbon-heavy footprint of gasoline with a cleaner, more sustainable alternative. Imagine driving a vehicle that produces no harmful emissions, releasing only water vapor into the air. Such a shift could have a profound impact on air quality and our collective carbon footprint. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the potential future of water-powered vehicles. Stay tuned for more updates on this and other groundbreaking innovations. Be sure to check out the other videos on our channel for more insights into the latest technological advancements shaping our world.